Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and I am at Xghajra here. It's force 8 to 9, the wind. Here is a little bit shelter where I wanted to start this vlog, but the more we go that way, I think the more windy it gets. As always, stay safe, take great care. Sometimes the GoPro exaggerates the angle, so not everything that it looks. And also, always do everything to your ability, to your experience. You don't need to get in danger, it's not worth it, you have our loved ones at home. And secondly, we never have to get other people to save us. So I will be 110% safe, and if I find it that it's not safe, I will just turn back. I know this area very well, so I will be heading that way. Also, as usual, I have to thank my sponsor, which is Zoleo, this satellite receiver and SOS device. And let's start. And today I have my full gear that I will be taking with me with Everest Base Camp. So although the backpack, I got one that is fully waterproof. Yeah? So now let's go. This is how rough it is today. Or now it's not raining, but let's start making our way. Yeah? Till now, I only have the jacket. If need be, I will put my trousers on as well, the waterproof trousers. But temperature today is not that cold. It's 17 degrees Celsius. Yeah? It's amazing. It's this windy, but it's not cold. But the more we go on that side, the more the wind will be strong. Yeah? But you will see a little bit the force of nature. Another thing that I need to mention was that Ryan told me that there are still 3 places left for Everest Base Camp Group 2, because I am Group 1. Anybody interested, please either contact me or contact Ryan Max or Mexventures, and he will give you details and prices and what you do. There's still 2 months left, so it's time to train. So still there is time to train. I think you will enjoy. Here I'm sheltered by the wind, but look how rough this part is. I am fairly away from the Sierra, but you have to take care because this sea has a long reach, and can drag you. If it drags you out, you're in big trouble. I don't think you can survive. And by the way, that house there in the corner is where I lived for 3 years, about 6 years ago. So when I wake up and taking breakfast, this was my view. When I used to live here, I used to park my van there, and in 2 to 3 years I had to scrap it with all this seawater that goes on, and today it's not that bad. I'm very high up here, so I'm safe. Let's continue, because we just started now. Here it's shelter. The more we go to Marsa Scala, the less shelter it gets, because today is from southeast, if I'm not mistaken. Here I'm encountering a lot of people who came here just to admire the power of the sea. As I told you, the more we go to this side, the more exposed we get here. As I will show you, even the sea will be more and more rough. It's amazing, you see it like this. Until now, we are at Xghajra, going to Zonqor Point. Even the wind here, till now, is strong, but not strong like I found it at Xghajra. But it's spectacular in the sea. I am not sure now if it's raining or it's the sea spray, because the clouds are darker. But the more we go, I think it's sea spray. Just look, everywhere This is Xghajra from one pillbox to the other. The wind here, I can feel it more, although this part is not that bad. But now, let's continue on. I'm still walking on the road here. A small tip I learned from last time when it was for sale is today I have my trekking pole with me, because if a gust of wind comes, you know, you don't fall like this. It's easily, you can use your trekking pole to balance out. There is another pillbox. Soon we will go into the park of Imnaidar, something like that. This part here I can feel more the power of the wind, and you feel it as if it's raining, because there's so much spray from this water. But look, because the wind should be coming somewhere from there. We are still pretty protected now, although the wind is very strong. Very important, I will always be very away from the sea and safe. Don't, because last time many people didn't even judge, saw the video and were saying words like stupid, bahnan. I don't know these people, how can write these things about somebody who they didn't know. I didn't take care, because some of them, I think they don't even walk around the block. But I'm also open if someone wants to make some constructive criticism. It's welcome always, and hopefully comes from experience, not from what others were writing. And some people who I thought know better, these people annoy me, not the other people. So always be safe and take care. And as my viewers know, I always advocate not to get civil protection, risking their life for us, for being stupid. Being stupid is one thing, go on an adventure is another. Always know your limits, always know your equipment, and very well check the weather. And when I go these places, normally I know this place is very good, so I can predict what comes out. Now the full force can be felt here, and look at the sea, how rough it is. I'm very far away from the edge. It's crazy here. Now I'm passing from this part. Here is much advisable, don't go to the edge, because this part here is all falling down, and that's why the local council or authorities put this cordon here. Take care, because if you look down there, it's all crumbling down, and especially today it will be even worse. So I will be passing quickly from here and pushing to the wall. Here it's very sheltered again. This is all the way we came from. Crazy, but walking here is relatively safe, because you can stay away from the sea. Here we find another pillbox. The more I go around here, to Zonqor Point, the more powerful the wind is. And look at the sea here. There's so much sea spray that it's like raining. But I have all waterproof today, even trousers and shoes and gloves, so I'm protected. As usual, this is training for Everest Base Camp, because there the weather is not like Malta. It's going to be from 0 to -12. There could be strong winds, there could be snow, so one needs to prepare, and prepare to be uncomfortable, because I never used to hike in high winds or in the rain. But the beauty of here, I always wanted to come here in a storm, and look how far away I am from the sea, so I am safe. I have to remember to report this to the Xghajra local council, because either with the wind, the solar panel for the cameras, I don't know actually where they are here, maybe so people don't put stuff here, but they are all on the ground here, so lots of damage, maybe by the wind. If somebody sees this vlog, because if I forget, but hopefully while editing I will remember, also contact the Xghajra local council so they know about it, because I think this is of the local council. This is what I'm wearing today, for waterproof. Now I am in those roads here. It's very windy. I'm very far from the sea, so it's not dangerous here, but it's spectacular here. And actually I'm feeling a little bit hot today. I only have one shirt under, long sleeve and trousers, but with waterproofs this is expected. And the wind here, you will feel it more. The more we go around, we have less wind protection. The wind here is very strong. Look at this, I don't know what is this one. It's like a very old pillbox, but it's not now. Look at this. Then we have one of those towers here, and a normal pillbox here, another pillbox here, and if I look, there's another pillbox there here. Being close to the breakwater, there's full of pillboxes, and now the wind here, it's like the other time. I can feel the full force. Here's the view of the tower here, being battered by the wind. Here I can say it's Forsyth now. It's crazy, yeah? It's like a liquidizer in the sea. And if I go towards the wind, very strong, yeah? But let's make it towards Zonqor Point, yeah? Because there is the, I think, where it will be mostly fed. And the tip that I have this time, if I have to fall, I have my trekking pole as a selfie stick today, so I am covered as well. Today it's from pillbox to pillbox. This is the pillbox and I'm on the road. This is the tower and the other pillbox. They all line of sight. The sky is very grey. I'm not sure if it will rain or not today. Here the wind is very strong. This is the picnic area here. Most of the wind here. until now, all my clothes are working, yeah? Because I am warm and dry. So I think this part here is in Zonqor Point now. Now I made it to Zonqor Point. There is the swimming pool of Zonqor Point. As you can expect here, the wind is a direct hit, so it will be much stronger than where I was. Just to make everybody at ease. I'm walking in the road and very far away from the sea. But it's nice to feel the full force of the weather. And then just in case I lose balance, I have my trekking water there. I think it's a very good piece of kit to bring when it's this windy as it is now. It's not raining, but the sea spray. Look up there. As I suspected here, there is no shelter, and the wind and force 8 winds can be felt full, and even the water is coming, because look how big. This area is, Here I have to hold to the railing because see how strong it is. Here is 14 to 9, What a difference from the other part of stuff. Here is very, very strong, One has to take great care here. One can hardly walk. Now I reach this one at Zonqor Point by the soda. It's crazy, here. And now I need to turn back to go to Zonqor Point, out to Xghajra back, where it's more sheltered, but for now, let's start making my way back, because here it's too windy here even to walk. I am very far away from the sea, so I'm safe. But it's great here. This is what force 8 winds are, so always take care. Sometimes it will topple you over. As always, please follow me on Pierre Farrugia Malta on TikTok and Instagram. May I thank Zoleo for keeping me safe. Until next time, bye bye.